Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Tumblr app on your phone. The process is really easy. Stay with me. I'll show you how. Let's get started. First of all, open Play Store if you are on Android device and open App Store if you are on iOS device. I'll open Play Store on my phone. Now this is the homepage of Play Store. On the homepage, you'll have to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. And on this search bar, simply type Tumblr and press search. So this is the app we're looking for. Now you'll simply have to tap on the install option and wait for the app to get installed. Meanwhile, let's talk about the app. Basically, Tumblr is a blogging and social media tool. It is a cross between social networking sites like Facebook or Twitter and a blog. Usually, people use it to promote their business. So the app is almost installed now. Let's wait for a few more seconds and it will be all ready to use. So the app has been installed. Now you'll simply have to tap on the open option and you'll be directed to the app. Now you can create an account and start using it. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.